Today, I want to talk to you about something that affects us all, but it's often overlooked until it's too late. When life does our estate planning. My name is Leon Jones Jr., and I am the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. We often realize that major life events like buying a house or getting married, having a child, getting a divorce, retiring, or even passing away can significantly impact our financial and legal futures. And failing to update our estate plan after these events creates unnecessary stress, financial burdens, legal disputes. So I want to look at how each of these milestones can shape or even reshape our estate plan. Marriage. It is an exciting time filled with hopes and dreams, but it's also a legal contract that affects your assets. Many people assume that once they're married, everything automatically transfers to their spouse should something happen. That's not always the case. Without a proper estate plan, state laws may decide how your assets are distributed, and they may not align with your wishes. Marriage is a perfect time to update or create a will or a trust that names your spouse as the beneficiary, adjust or create powers of attorney for both your health care and your finances. This will ensure your spouse has legal authority if you become incapacitated. And it's a good time to review and update any beneficiary designations on life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and investment accounts. Without these updates, an ex-partner or family member or even the state could have control over your estate than your spouse. Don't let a festive time become a nightmare. Give us a call here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group, and we can help you live the dream. When you buy property, buying a home or land or a significant piece of property is another major life event that requires estate planning consideration. If you purchase property jointly, it's essential to determine how that ownership is structured. Joint tenancy with the right of survivorship ensures that the property automatically transfers to the co-owner upon death. Tenancy in common means that each owner has a separate share, which then can be passed down according to your will or trust within your estate plan. If you own property alone, it is crucial to specify who should inherit it. Without an estate plan, your property could go through probate, causing delays and expenses that your loved ones would have to endure. When you have a child, it changes everything, including your estate plan. Parents need to plan for their child's financial security and care in case something happens to them. Those key steps to planning include naming a guardian in your will or your trust to take care of your child if both parents pass away. Without this, the court will decide who raises your child. Set up a trust to manage the assets for your children to ensure they inherit them responsibly. This trust allows you to set age restrictions and conditions rather than just handing them over the kingdom at 18, and updating your life insurance and beneficiaries to provide financial stability for your children's future. When we neglect to make these updates, we can leave our children financially vulnerable and subject to court-appointed guardianship. Don't let the one person in the world you don't want to have your children have your children. Let's get started today. Give us a call at 501-604-0220. When someone gets a divorce, it's a difficult time, but it's also a crucial moment to update your estate plan. Many people forget to remove their ex-spouses from their wills or their trusts or even their beneficiary designations. And without these updates, an ex-partner could inherit assets or have legal authority over your decisions. So as you're going through the divorce and afterwards, make sure you update your will and your trust to reflect the beneficiary designations. Make sure you change those designations on your retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and investment fund accounts. And you need to reassign your powers of attorney so that your ex will no longer have control over your healthcare and financial decisions. When you fail to make these changes, it can lead to unintended inheritance and legal battles for your family members. You never thought that you would be in a position when you got married, but now that you are, give us a call and let us help guide you through this process to protect what you've worked hard to save. Now, another transition in life is retirement. It's often seen as a time to relax, but it's also an important time to reassess your estate plan. When retirement comes, you have changes in your income, requiring adjustments in your tax distribution and estate plan strategies. You need to have long-term care planning, including Medicaid eligibility and nursing home considerations within those estate plans. A review of your trust and powers of attorney to ensure that they align with your current financial situations and wishes is crucial. Retirement is great, and it's a great time to communicate your estate plans with your family members. It reduces future misunderstandings. And the final impact on your estate plan ultimately is death. The purpose of your estate plan is to ensure that after you die, your assets are distributed according to your wishes, debts are settled efficiently, and loved ones are taken care of. Without an estate plan, the estate could go through probate, which could be costly and time-consuming. The state will determine how your assets are distributed based on intestacy laws, which may not align with your personal wishes. And family disputes will arise, leading to legal battles that could have been avoided with clear planning. Having an updated estate plan ensures a smooth transition to your heirs, and it minimizes stress during an already difficult and stressful time. So estate planning is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time task. It must evolve as your life changes. Every major life event, whether it's marriage, the purchase of property, children, divorce, retirement, or death, should trigger a review of your estate plan. By staying proactive, you not only protect your assets, but also provide the peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. Estate planning is not about wealth. It's about making sure your wishes are honored and your family is taken care of when it matters most. Here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group, we are committed to helping you through the good and the bad times by guiding and advising you on how to protect yourself and your loved ones and your assets. Give us a call at 501-604-0220 today. Schedule an appointment and let's get started.